gang, it's Leda Lam, and today we're going to discuss this very cool Claire Slimming 5-in-1 Cavitation Machine by Surebeauty. Count them, 5 different accoutrements, if you will. First off, cavitation, which is a non-surgical fat-reducing treatment that, like the stars do. You know, there's no downtime. It helps reduce fat deposits. And it's very important not to use this one on your face. You don't want to mess with your retina, your brain. You can't use it on your chest, your heart. That's also your chest, your breasts. You can't reduce your breast size with this. So you can really only use it in your arms, your legs, and your belly. Very interesting though. So what it does is very cool. We're going to discuss that. Then there's also this vacuum wand. So this will help release and disperse the liquefied fat from the cavitation. And it kind of, I guess, it's kind of sucks. And then there's also some radiofrequency that will help dispense and disperse into the lymphatic system the liquefied fat cells. And then we have our trusty radiofrequency, which we have been exploring that, haven't we? This one's for the body, it's got more wands, this one's for the face, and this is for the eyes. And actually, my husband has had this treatment done, and it was very interesting. This is my first experience with radiofrequency, and they were saying that it could help with bags under here. So it kind of looked like you had more of a indentation here, I forget what it's called, cavity here from the occipital ridge, but oftentimes that's from a bag, you know, that you can release with radiofrequency, and this feels so good. It feels really nice to have the wand. So this is very professional, these wands. But I think that this might be the most exciting part of this 5-in-1 slimming device. But it's nice to have a very professional radiofrequency device, I think. What cavitational devices do is they send ultrasound waves into the fat cells to help basically break them up and essentially liquefy them, that then your lymphatic system will then release and disperse. So it's very important to drink a lot of water during this process, which I guess it's always important to drink a lot of water, but cleanse yourself of the excess fat. And by the way, they did send me a code, so you get $35 off. And that will be in the description down below. And that's pretty cool because this device is pretty cheap. It's less than $300 for all of these different utensils, utilizations. Wow. You're not using on your face, your neck. Can't slim your neck with it because you don't want to mess with your thyroid. And the thing that I was a little concerned about was like, what about your organs, right? Yeah. The waves are calibrated to specifically work on fat cells. So there's no damage to other tissues in the area, just fat cells. That was concerning me, but it's calibrated, target the fat cells. So with the cavitation and all the radiofrequency wands, you're gonna need a conductive gel, which I did send me one that they also sell. And I've seen this one before, the clear one. They have a gold spec one. Now for the vacuum, you actually need an oil, so it'll slip along the body. Very cool, and now we're going to explore how we set up the device. I mean, there's a lot of cords, but the device itself, this isn't very heavy. Shall we?
Here's the manual. I'll show you more of the manual later if you're interested. Comes with these plastic shelves with the different instruments and an Allen wrench and little screws. And if you twirl the Allen wrench between your fingers, I found it to be the most efficient. There's a bunch of little things like these gaskets that come in this baggie, and you'll know because it's all labeled. And there's extra gaskets for the filter here, for the filter there. Just shove it in the back here. And it's very easy to identify where you're going to put the power cord for each instrument. And some of them screw in like this. It's all labeled in the back, so it's pretty easy to identify. It was a little hard to find out which shelf they all go in, but you figured it out. No problem. This button right here on the left will change which instrument you're using, and you'll see the little red button above the one you're changing, and the knob on the top will change the intensity of the vacuum. Also, this will, so there you go, we'll change it to different modes. That button on the right will change different vacuum modes as well. These buttons up here will change intensity of the cavitation instrument. You can hear what it sounds like here.
You're gonna want to use conductive gel on this, and I'm just going to use the one they sent because I was actually looking at this for my other radiofrequency, the Royal Facial Gel collagen hyaluronate in there. Measure my arm right here. It's not that bad right now. 12.5. Yeah, people do their abdomen, their waist. Helps trim the waist side, the love handle sides. I'm gonna do the arm. Cool, shall we plug it in? Shall. And we're gonna, it's shiny and new. Time, go lower. You can adjust the amount of time. I'm just gonna do it for 5 minutes. Let's put the schmutz on, shall we? Right. Okay, I'm just gonna, ooh, it's all gold. We have a towel. Put the schmutz on, that one spot. Just do one. Woo! There's like a piercing sound. You can hear in my ears, the sound waves. Can you hear that? You have it on. Press the, there's like a very weird sound. Woo! Weird. Really I can't feel, let's go up in energy. This thing is the sound it makes. It's just like this high-pitched sound. So I can't change the energy level while it's going. Stop it. 3. It's the same. Sounds the same. Pitch is the same. Going, going, going. Weird. Weirdest thing is the sound that you hear in your ears. Whoa. Very fascinating. Arm feels weird now. Let that shake later. I feel pretty good about them, but let's try the vacuum mode. Okay, function, vacuum. Time, a lot less. 5 minutes, go. There we go. Woo! A little shocking. I'm going to decrease the energy level. Vacuum mode. Okay, let's try and increase the... Fascinating. Definitely a noisy machine. Funny feeling. Funny. Oh, look, it lights up. There's little lights in there. Mode 3. Mode 4. Woo! Weird. Feels weird.
Here's the very clear instructions. Shows you where everything goes, just visually, and shows you where the replacement little bits and pieces are. Very clear. User manual. Safety precautions, table of contents, very clear indications of all the buttons. This knob up here for suction control, and all the precautions and facts. Very, very thorough. And then we have problems and solutions, operation guidelines. They generally show you the different wand you'll use, where you're going to guide the radiofrequency and the order. They generally think radiofrequency, cavitation, and then the vacuum. Definitely cavitation and then the vacuum, because that's what allows you to drain the fat and bring it into your lymphatic system.
Well, there you go. Bizarre. So, if you want to know more about those, links in the description. There's a few other videos I'll link to as well that I found about them. Check it out down in the description, okay, gang?